How to fix the invalid parameter error on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are getting this issue of invalid parameter error on Instagram, here is what can be done. First of all, make sure to log out of your account. After logging out, clear all the background applications and log in back again. Followed by it, head over to home screen, long press your Instagram and go to app info. Tap on the third option of storage and cache and then clear the cache. Sometimes you might also have to delete the app data, but it requires you to log in again to Instagram. After that, close all the background applications that is currently running. Head over to your Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. Tap on the update button and it should automatically start the download followed by automatic installation. Wait until it is done and then open the app again. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Now that you log in, your error of invalid parameters should be fixed. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.